there, everybody. Phil here for AndroidCentral.com with about our 30th Samsung Galaxy S3 video, I think. So here it is with the iPhone 4S, and what else is there to say about the iPhone that hasn't been said 5 million times, right? Here's all you need to know. The screen, this 4.8-inch screen on the Samsung Galaxy S3 is just monstrous. I mean, the phone is much larger than the iPhone 2, right? Look at that. It's very thin, though, so it's got that going for it, and it actually makes the iPhone kind of look thick there. Never thought you'd see that happen, but it does. But just look at the screen size difference. That's really all you need to talk about. So the iPhone still has a higher pixel density than anything out there, but that's because the screen's so damn small. What are you gonna do? You know, 3.5 inches versus 4.8. Just look at that. It's insane. I don't have much more to say about it. We know TouchWiz. We know the iOS UI. We do both have buttons down there at the bottom, I guess, so nobody's going to complain that the Samsung Galaxy S3 button looks like the iPhone button, but they do both have physical buttons that you can press. There you go, a very quick look, and just look at that screen size. Look at it. Look at it!